Welcome back. There are several symbols at the beginning of a typical line of music besides the key signature. One of them is the clef sign. This sign tells you which group of notes the lines and spaces of the staff refer to. The two clef signs that you are most likely to see are the treble clef and the bass clef. The treble clef indicates a group of notes that is right of center on the piano keyboard, notes that are within the range of a typical female singer. It looks like an elaborate spiral. The bass clef, a simple curve with two dots, indicates a group of notes to the left of center on a piano, notes that are in the range of a typical male singer. There are other clefs that are used by various instruments. At this point, it's not too important to know much about different clefs, as you find the home note on the staff in the same way, no matter what clef it is. Just look for the second flat from the right. Of more importance for sight singing is the time signature, a pair of numbers, one above the other, that comes after the key signature on the first line of music. These two numbers give you the meter, or the rhythmic framework of the song. They allude to the vertical bar lines that divide music into measures, or bars. The top number tells how many beats are in each measure. You could think of beats as like the ticks of a clock or metronome. A 2 or 4 on the top would be music that you could march to, while a 3 on top could be waltz music. The bottom number, usually a 2, 4, or 8, tells you what kind of note represents the beat. A time signature of 4/4 indicates that there are 4 quarter note beats in each measure. It's important to look at the time signature before singing a new piece of music in order to get a sense of the underlying pulse. A piece with 3 beats in a measure feels a lot different than one with 2 or 4. Notice the difference between these two examples. Since the first one has 3 beats, we might want to count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 before we start, to give us a sense of the meter. Okay, let's sing it. Here, 1, 2, 3, 1, 7, 1, 2, 1. Compare that to the next example in 4. The home note is here, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 7, 1. In the next lesson, we'll increase the level of complexity by looking at melodies that don't start on the home note.